I'm back with a mother flipping video. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I'm back with another mother flipping video. So I finally got it. Yeah. Okay. I finally got it. I'm sorry. Cut it. I'm back with another review, you guys. So, y'all know I had to order for my girl again. I'm sorry. The wig was, well, this wig is bomb. I'm sorry. I be freaking. Okay, so DreamBeauty once again picking us up, period. Okay, so this is a 13 by 3. This is a 13 by 3, 22 inch Brazilian Remy body weight. I said body weight. Brazilian Remy straight hair. I'm so sick. Okay, so this is what my wig looks like, y'all. So once again, in the box it comes with the wig and it comes with a cap so you can put on your head, because I know you ain't finna be walking around here looking like somebody hit you. Okay, so this is what my wig look like. As y'all can see, it is a 13 by 3. I have to plug it. 13 by 3. Yeah, it's a 13 by 3. And it's a 22 inch. Highlighted. All that. Period. Brown. Period. Pretty. Period. So before we get into this, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on y'all post notifications or whatever. You know what the YouTubers say, you know. So let's get started with the hair review. So finally, y'all, I'm not gonna be using her today. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna use her today, but sometimes you gotta let it go. I went to the beauty supply store, just got back. So let me show y'all what all I got. So I got this Jamaican black cast oil mousse, wrap set twist or whatever, blah 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 blah. Boom. I usually use like any like mousse. So before I slick my hair down. So yeah. So what else I got? I got 2 Got to Be glues. I got the Got to Be glue styling glue. Spiking glue. And I got the Got to Be glue styling gel. So I don't know. They said I think this one better because I don't know. I used this before and it didn't hurt my fucking hair down. So let's just see how it's gonna act, okay? And I got combs. Alright, so
oh my god.
Thought it was okay. So yeah, I cut my hair. How long has it been since I cut my hair? It's been like I would say a year. Around them girls that be like, I don't got no hair because my mama gave me a perm. So after I do that, oh girl, my hair is just growing. So let's see how this works. So first I'm gonna use this gel. I don't know how she gonna work. They say she don't do shit. So I'm just, I was just waiting, okay? I'm just waiting to see how she turn out. Is she gonna curl up? Yeah, she gonna curl up. Yeah, I figured. So we're gonna use a little bit more of this and leave her how she is. But I'm gonna mix this gel because I know she ain't gonna slick down by herself. This is my favorite. My favorite. Okay, sorry. She my favorite. So I don't miss this gel. Y'all already know my hair is so flipping hard to like slick down. Like natural hair girls, y'all understand, man. Y'all understand so much. Y'all understand. Y'all understand so much. Y'all understand more than I understand. Like, cause that natural hair, they can get you, baby. With that, slicking it down, I'm just gonna pull it back into a nice slick back. That's all I'm gonna do. Nice slick back. Let her do what she want to do. Okay. 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 So I'm gonna take more of this got to be glue. This one. This yellow. That yellow just ain't shit to play with, sister. I'm just gonna do all my flyaways. What's up, flyaways? I'm so fucking smart. Okay, so start my my slickers, my girls that want to stand up without permission in school. Sit your butt down. Okay. She's sitting down, sis. Okay, so now. Y'all remember that wig cap? 2 come in this. So y'all, I'm gonna take this friggin' wig cap. Just like that. Like that. Like that. And I'm gonna sit her down and let her do what she wanna do. You know? I'm gonna use a little bit of this, go across my damn scalp. Little bit of that. That's why we cutting this. Okay, so have her sneaking. She need to go back in there because she ain't allowed out. Okay. Oh, my eyes feel so freaking uncomfortable. Time to put the wig on. Okay. So this I already have baby hairs. And I already got all that bull crap, all that. Oh, my fingers getting sticky. All that bull crap and whatnot. So we're just gonna slick her on. And of course we're gonna comb her back. Gotta use another comb. We're gonna comb her back. Comb her back like this. We're gonna comb her back just like that. Put her in the ponytail. Cause we got some work to do. So this is what the wig look like. Okay, so am I gonna glue this down? Maybe. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this glue, put it on my pinky. But yeah, y'all, so this is how it look, y'all, and I'm really happy and proud of myself because I invested in doing what I wanted to do. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I put my all into, you know, getting this wig. I worked so many days and nights, and everything just came. Woo, Jesus, woo. Yeah, I know Jesus came through. God came through, baby. So But yeah, so how y'all like my wig? Please tell me in the comments below, and you know, leave nice comments, because if you don't, YouTube is going to delete my comments forever, and I don't want that. Okay, so be nice to me, you guys. But I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this, 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 and okay, I need to start making songs. But thank y'all for watching, and you know, like, comment, subscribe, you know, turn on your post notifications, press the fudging bell, press the bell, and I promise you, new videos gonna be coming out. If y'all want more of these, hair reviews and all types of stuff, comment, you know, tell me, and I will let it come to pass. Okay,
money, I never take a loss, bitch. And while I'm at it, fuck a nigga too. Could give a fuck what a nigga say a nigga do. He talking big about his car in his crib, but it's a damn shame he don't do for his kids. But